back to Mr. Scott Maths. In this video, we're going to take a look at how to find the mean of a set of data. Now, the mean is an average, which is a number that we use to represent our entire set of data. To work out the mean, we have to add together all of the numbers that we see, and we need to divide by how many numbers we have. So let's start by adding these numbers together. So that's 6, add 7, add 8, add 9, add 10. And when we add these numbers up, that gives us 40. Now we need to divide this 40 by how many numbers we have. Let's count them up. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. So we do 40 divided by 5, and that gives us an answer of 8. So our mean for this set of data is 8. Let's find the mean again of this second set of data. Again, we need to add all of the numbers together and divide by how many numbers we see. So we are doing 12, add 14, add 10, add 8. And when we add those numbers together, that gives us 44. Now we need to divide by how many numbers we have. Let's count them up. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers. So we do 44 divided by 4, which gives us a mean of 11. In this next set of data, we see that one of our numbers is a 0, but we still need to count this. So we're going to add all of these together as we did before. 4, add 6, add 10, add 0. And when we add all of those together, that gives us 20. To find our mean, we now need to divide by how many numbers we have. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers here. So we have to do 20 divided by 4. And that gives us an answer of 5. The mean of this set of data is 5. One last set of data that we're going to find the mean of is this one here. Again, we start by adding all of these numbers together. 20, add 22, add 18, add 25, add 15. And when we add all of those numbers together, that gives us an answer of 100. We now need to divide by how many numbers we see. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. So we do 100 divided by 5, and that gives us a mean of 20.